That one's good. All right, you rolling, Tony? You rolling, Anthony? Yep.
We DG in the Freetown sound. This song's called Do It.
Lady on destiny, yellow roses as dead as the rest of your song. Little restless, God only hopes how happy. It's clear enough to show you the lines of what Friday was wrong. Ain't your mama ever teach you true? Ooh, good God, I wanna smack some sense right into you. And they only know where the others are. But they're not having a give. There's not having a give. Ain't your mama ever teach you true? Ooh, good God, I wanna smack some sense right into you. And they only know where the others are. You better not have any kids. There's not having a God, I said, go ahead, tell me. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. Do what you say, baby. Go ahead, I said go do it. Go ahead, I said go ahead. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. I said go do it.
Felt pretty good. Felt pretty good. Yep, let's do it. This is Stratton on saxophone, Ken Beatty on bass guitar, Joshua on lead guitar, and Gino on the drums back there. song's about getting a little too funky, feeling a little too good, and noticing something a little too nasty. We are DG and the Freetown sound from Lafayette, Louisiana. We like playing funky soul music, rockin' soul music, and letting you dance. This song is a little funky one. She's not my baby. Been running around, driving people crazy. I said, hey, no, you know she's not my baby. I've been away from this town too long for you to even be a baby. If you think so, hold this tight on me, well, it ain't gonna get another. And I caught me sweating. She's the one that caught me breaking down. Now she got me asking, how can I walk with my head so proud? If she thinks a hold tight on me, well, it ain't gonna get another. I can't be the one she wants. Won't she roll? Won't you roll? That song is for my grandpa. Wrote that about him dancing a little too much and having too much fun. So that one goes out to him. He called me right before this set. He was like, I see you making that record, boy. When you gonna start paying for all the meals? I was like, sorry, Papa, that's not what we do. So we all from Lafayette, Louisiana. Well, the band is. Stratton here's from Lake Charles. Kent's from Baton Rouge. Gino's from Delcom. And Josh is from Erath. And we all just kind of joined together to make this original funky soul music. My name is Dustin Gospa, and we're DG in the Freetown Sound. This last song's called Coffin Corset, and it's about not holding somebody too tight, letting them learn their own freedoms, and letting them have their own life. But you also want to slow dance with them sometimes. Sometimes your word is right out of your mouth. They end up strangling me, baby. Could there ever be a use for things unsaid? Like a stool pulled from out my feet, girl. When you say them, they hang me. Seems like there's something wrong. Always say it's nothing that this is not your fault. This is not your fault. Seems like it's your time for freedom. I do not want to be your coffin, be your coffin. Your time for freedom. I do not want to be your coffin, be your porcelain. Oh yeah. Said I only want to make you feel good. Like you got me doubting my arms. So you lost a few pounds and is about shouting out, get down here, so that I can love you more. But you know that seems like there's something wrong. Always say it's nothing, and this is not your fault. This is not your fault. Seems like it's your time for freedom, and I do not want to be your coffin, be your corset. Seems like it's your time for freedom, and I do not want to you so much. Look for our debut album, Microphone Inheritance, Part 1. Out now.